Well, here we have a 1967 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. This is an unrestored Survivor, just 58,000 documented miles. We know that someone out there is waiting to take this car home and make it everything it should be. Code correct Marina Blue on the exterior, code correct bright blue vinyl interior, and under the hood, a numbers matching 350 horsepower, 327 cubic inch L79 engine. This car has a 4-speed manual transmission. Now, features include power steering, AM/FM radio. The car was originally assembled August 19th, 1966, and this unrestored Survivor has had just 2 owners since it was new. It's in very original condition and is an excellent candidate for an NCRS Survivor judging. This car has been parked since 1973, but is currently running and driving. And again, the odometer reads 58,585 miles. They're documented as actual. The car's paint appears to be mostly original. Chrome bumpers and door handles show an original finish, and taillights and all-weather stripping appear to be original as well. The rally wheels are in place, and newer radial whitewall tires are on this car, show an average of 11/32 tread depth remaining. Now, the interior of this 67 Corvette appears to be all original, with good condition seats, dash pods. As polished Playboy bunny emblem has been added to the speaker grille, and correct appearing AM/FM radio is in place as well. The numbers matching engine in this car shows original casting date August 12th, 1966, final assembly August 18th, 1966. The correct air cleaner, carburetor, intake manifold, ignition shielding, valve covers, alternator, radiator hoses, and all hose clamps are all in place, and the frame appears to be very solid. So this is a Survivor. This could go to a very special home, and it could make some Corvette owner very proud. So give us a call today here at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia at 770-414-5552. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the notification button. You'll see all these new cars that come to our showroom floor. This could be the car for you. It's a very special car, and it's waiting for a very special home. Give us a call, buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia.